Today's high winds fueled the flames of a fire that spread to several homes in Jersey City. And as Nick Caloway reports, more than 24 people have now been displaced.
Residents could only watch and pray as their neighbors' homes burned. The fire started Sunday afternoon in a 3-story multi-family home in the 100 block of Danforth Avenue in Jersey City's Greenville neighborhood. Danielle Taliaferro lives next door.
Heard like a loud eruption and explosion, and then my neighbor banged on my door, and as we were coming out there was like another one, and it just got really crazy.
Fire officials say there were multiple explosions as oxygen and propane tanks were exposed to extreme heat during the fire. Yolanda Carter lives a few doors down.
It sounded like a bomb had gone off. It was powerful, and I kept saying, what could it be? So I came, I opened the door and went out on the front porch, and there was a cop at the door, and he was telling me, you have to get out, and you have to get out now.
Fire officials say high winds helped the fire spread to several neighboring properties. 2 buildings were destroyed. 2 more were damaged. Residents credit firefighters for working fast to contain the flames.
Oh, it could have been worse. These are all old frame houses, so it could have burnt the whole block down.
The 4-alarm fire displaced 22 adults and 4 children. Still, residents here telling us they are grateful to be alive.
It was a very frightening situation, but I have my life. My kids are okay.
A fire captain was hospitalized with lacerations on his hand while fighting the fire. No other injuries were reported. In Jersey City, Nick Caloway, CBS News, New York.